Hello friends, myself Subhash Nagarse from Sri Digambar Jain Gurukul High School, Solapur. I shall welcome to all of you in this 8th standard mathematics. The topic is area part 3. In this session, we are going to discuss with area of the trapezium and the problems from the practice set 15.3. Friends, in the previous session, we have been discussed with the following subtopics of this chapter: rhombus, properties of the rhombus, area and perimeter of the rhombus, and problems from the practice set 15.2. Today, in this session, we are going to discuss with the area of a trapezium and problems from the practice set 15.3. Friends, what is trapezium? In the adjoining figure, a trapezium is shown. A trapezium is also known as a trapezoid. It is the flat, closed shape having 4 straight sides with one pair of the parallel sides. The parallel sides of a trapezium are known as the bases and its non-parallel sides are called legs. A trapezium can also have parallel legs. The parallel sides can be horizontal, vertical or slanting. The perpendicular distance between the parallel sides is called the altitude. Types of trapeziums. Following are the types of the trapezium. Number 1, right trapezium. It has a pair of right angles. It is shown in the adjoining figure. Second, isosceles trapezium. It has equal length of non-parallel sides. In the image side, AD and BC are equal, that you can see in the adjoining figure. Third, scalene trapezium. It has neither equal angles nor equal sides. It is shown below here. These are the 3 different types of trapeziums. Properties of the trapezium. Following are the properties of this trapezium. In trapezium, exactly one pair of the opposite side is parallel. The diagonals intersect each other. The non-parallel sides in the trapezium are unequal except in isosceles trapezium. No sides, angles and diagonals are congruent. The line that joins the midpoint of the non-parallel sides is always parallel to the bases or parallel sides, which is equal to the half of the sum of parallel sides. Area of the trapezium and perimeter of the trapezium. In the adjoining figure, trapezium ABCD is shown. The area of the trapezium can be found by taking the average of the 2 bases of a trapezium and multiply its altitude. So the area of this trapezium formula could be given as A is equal to half into AB plus CD into AP. Here AB and CD are the parallel sides in the adjoining figure. So we will substitute the values. So is equal to half into A plus B into H, where H is the height. Here AP is the height. The perimeter of the trapezium is found by adding lengths of the all sides. Therefore, the perimeter of a trapezium formula could be given like this: P is equal to AP plus BC plus CD plus DA, which is A plus B plus C plus D. So friends, these are the formulas that we are going to solve few problems. So let us discuss on practice set 15.3. Number 1. In the given figure, quadrilateral ABCD is a trapezium. Side AB is parallel to side DC. Length AB is 13 cm and DC is 9 cm. AD is 8 cm. We have to find out the area of the quadrilateral trapezium ABCD. Friends, here given that quadrilateral ABCD is a trapezium. Side AB is parallel to side DC. AB is 13, DC is 9 and AD are 8 cm. These are the given things. We know that area of the trapezium is equal to half into sum of the lengths of the parallel sides into height. Now we will put the values. Therefore, area of this quadrilateral ABCD is equal to half into sum of parallel sides. AB and DC are the parallel sides. AB plus BC into AD is the height. Therefore, we will put the values half into 13 plus 9 into 8. AB, DC and AD are substituted. Therefore, half into 22 into 8. So, it could be 11 into 8, that is area of this quadrilateral ABCD is 88 square centimeter. So, the verbal answer will be the area of the quadrilateral ABCD is 88 square centimeter. Now, let us see the next problem number 2. Lengths of the two parallel sides of a trapezium are 8.5 centimeter and 11.5 centimeter respectively, and its height is 4.2 centimeter. Find its area. Friends, the length of the two parallel sides of a trapezium are 8.5, 11.5 centimeter respectively, and height is 4.2 centimeter. It is the given thing. We know that the area of the trapezium is equal to half into sum of lengths of the parallel side into height, which could be written as, which is equal to half into 8.5 plus 11.5 into 4.2. Therefore, half into 20 into 4.2, which could be written as 10 into 4.2. So, that is the product 42 square centimeter. So, you can write verbally in words that the area of the trapezium is 42 square centimeter. Friends, this is very important formula that you must know. Now, let us discuss problem number 3. Quadrilateral PQRS is an isosceles trapezium. Length PQ is equal to 7 cm. Segment PM is perpendicular to segment SR. Length SM is 3 cm. Distance between two parallel sides is 4 cm. Find the area of this quadrilateral PQRS. Friends, it is given that here quadrilateral PQRS is an isosceles trapezium. PQ is 7 cm. PM is perpendicular to SR. SM is 3 cm and PM is 4 cm. Now, draw the segment QN perpendicular to segment SR. So, in this quadrilateral PM and Q, this is the construction. PQ is parallel to MN. This PQ is parallel to MN. PMN and QNM are 90 degrees, this and this. Therefore, quadrilateral this PM and Q will become rectangle. Opposite sides of a rectangle are congruent. Accordingly, PM is equal to QN is equal to 4 cm and PQ is equal to MN is equal to 7 cm. In quadrilateral PMS, measurement angle PMS is equal to 90. By using Pythagoras theorem, you can write PS square is equal to PM square plus SM square. Now put the values. Therefore, PS square is equal to 4 square plus 3 square. Therefore, PS square is equal to 16 plus 9, that is 25. Taking square root, length PS is equal to root of 25, which is 5 cm. In quadrilateral PQR is an isosceles trapezium. Therefore, PS is equal to QR is equal to 5 cm. This this both will be equal to 5 cm. In triangle QNR, angle QNR is 90. QR square is equal to QN square plus NR square. Pythagoras theorem. Put the values. 5 square is equal to 4 square plus NR square. Therefore, 25 is equal to 16 plus NR square. So, 16 goes to the left hand side. So, NR square could be written as 25 minus 16, which is equal to 9. Therefore, you can write length NR is equal to root of 9, that is 3 cm. Here this NR is 3 cm. But we know that L of SR plus L of SR is equal to SM plus MN plus NR. These are the segments. So, put the values. 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 13 cm. We know area of this trapezium is equal to half into sum of parallel sides into height. Put the values. So, area of this quadrilateral PQRS is equal to half into PQ plus SR into PM. Put the values. Half into 7 plus 13 into 4. So, half into 20 into 4, that will be 40 square centimeter. In the word, the area of the quadrilateral PQRS is 40 square centimeter. Little bit you have to use the Pythagoras theorem in this problem. So, prepare this properly. What we have been discussed today in this session is trapezium, properties of this trapezium, area and perimeter of the trapezium, problems from the practice set 15.3. Friends, will you try these problems? In the trapezium, if distance between parallel sides is 6 cm and lengths of the parallel sides are 7 cm and 8 cm respectively, then find the area of the trapezium. You can use this adjoining figure in order to find the area of this trapezium. Find the area of the trapezium ABCD shown in the adjoining figure. The measurements are also given in the figure. DC and AB parallel sides having lengths this 5 cm and 12 cm respectively, and the height is 4 cm. A field is in the form of a trapezium. Its area is 1586 meter square and the distance between its parallel sides is 26 meter. If one of the parallel side is 84, find the other. The area of a trapezium is 405 cm square. Its parallel sides are in the ratio 4:5 and the distance between them is 18 cm. Find the length of each sides that is parallel sides of this trapezium. Friends, try these problems. You should not forget the famous words of Eleanor Roosevelt. With new day comes new strength and the new thoughts. Very helpful for you. So friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, share with your friends and don't forget to like it. With these words, I would like to say thank you.